So let me take over. Yeah. So I want you to know two social dance. Salsa, which we already dance, so goes like this. So soft and knee. Social dance means like you dance in club. There's not too much rules. It's just more fun. Knee soft. You just use your body. Whatever. It's like a lot of freedom. So you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and remember to smile. 3, 5, 6. So this is a basic salsa. Then you know how to turn underarm. This is called underarm turn. So this is my arm. You turn underarm. Go 1, 2, 3, underarm. 1, 2, 3. So you already know two more. Then you know how to dance cross-body lead. Then we change place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then dance basic. Also, I can turn. You just do basic. Now you can turn after me. Also, you can turn in a crisscross hands. 5, 6, 7. And we can do like some fun steps. So we can do many fun steps like this. So this dance number 1, we're gonna do more steps to it. Now, next one is a bachata. It's also Latin dance, but it's also social club dance. So also, we're gonna dance on the soft knees and use a lot of hips. So there's a lot of freedom here. So we go side, together, side, tap, side, together, side. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can do underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so when you do underarm turn here, keep traveling. Travel, 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 tap. So it's a little bit different than salsa turn. So let's do it again. We go basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel, 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 tap. Travel, 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 tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn, 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 tap. Also in bachata, we can go forward and back. That's very simple. So let's go backward, like you're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we can go side. Now also, I can turn and I can do different, changes to your body. Okay, so this is the second. Now, from our beginner program, the most important, I want you to learn a box step. So we can do rumba and waltz, two dances at the same time. So we're gonna do it in close, beautiful position. So this is already more competitive. So here has more rules, posture, frame, everything is important. Yeah, high chest. So we're gonna go side, together, back, side, together, front. That's the most important dance. So quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. So this is already more like has a style, more for the stage, like you watch Dancing with the Stars. So here at the end, so your knee soft, but at the end you straight your knee. Straight, so you have a beautiful leg position. I'll teach you how to do pretty feet and everything. Okay, so this will be the most important for you, this step. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick window cross-body lead. Quick, quick, slow in rumba. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, we can do underarm, just do 3 steps around. Walkie, walkie, talkie. Yeah, and curve to your right. Curve to your right. Let's do it again. Back step, back step. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Arm here, go. Walk, walk, slow. Quick and quick, slow. Excellent. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Walk, walk, slow. Quick and quick, slow. So this is the rumba. That's what.
Correct.
Yeah, that was very good. I will just spend more time when we have our lesson one-on-one. So I just want to introduce to you. Because you know already back step, you can do rumba. With the back step, we can do waltz. But we're going to count differently. We're going to do a little bit up and down. Waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes. With the right foot always back, my love. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. So you see, we can take it around. 1. It's going to be different music, different style, but same step. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for Lily, do you have this book? I want you to like follow program. So by Monday, I know, okay, let's do social dance, salsa bachata. I teach you many steps, we go crazy. Boom, now let's get a little technique. Let's learn how to do, pretty arm, body action. That's
what I want to learn.
yeah, I will teach you. That's, hip twist, all of this, like, so you have this sexy position, Rumba, and I'll train you all of that.
Okay, thank you.
So when you social dance, use as a warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes, main focus on our program, competitive style. Because maybe eventually I want to like perform with you. If I take you on stage, you want to have arm style and everything. Let's say you go like this, step to the side. Boom, point your foot to the side, leg to the side. Yes, now turn out this foot. Yes, you see? So have a pretty style. Yes, turn out your feet. Very good. Yes. And now, or maybe two hands like this now, take, like this. Very good. Just forward, right. And now go like this, sit. Close your feet together, sit. Yes, and now let's say your arm behind me like this. Hold me, chick. And I'm here, boom. And you do hips. Chick, 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 yes. So do like some pretty positions too.
Okay,
Got it?
thank you.
So the plan is to use social dance just as a warm-up and mainly push Rumba, swing, no, Rumba, maybe waltz, tango, those sexy dance. Yeah? Like our program, like just like open the book, like by the program.
Yeah.
Because I will teach you more like technique and crazy stuff.
Okay.
Yeah?
Thank you.
With the style. Thank you.